Nowadays, RGB is everywhere, from cases to RAM to even solid state also got RGB. Oh, my this system have. So why not roll right into the mud, go right into it together with RGB, and let's just dive into the wonderland, Alice Wonderland of RGBs, into our latest endeavor right here. This is the Thermaltake V150, a compact case from Thermaltake, and how is it any good? And most importantly, does it RGB? Let's find out. Hey guys, you guys are watching our channel here at Chester and Unboxing, so do follow our channel. We're gonna have a lot more content just for you guys, so stay tuned. So today we're taking a look at the case. This is a tempered glass compact case from Thermaltake. So let's open this up because frankly it's taking up all the space in my frame. So let's open this up together first.
Am I gonna damage the table? Who knows?
Okay, a bit more. Like, I'm really trying to be careful, okay? Okay, so let's first impressions of this case. Well, it has not just one side panel, but it has two side panels as well. So over here at this angle, you can actually see the side, alright? This is your first one, okay? But the front, there's another one right here. Okay, so let's do the peeling for you guys. So I know you guys like to peel, so let's hear it. Oh, I ruined it, didn't I? Get out. Stop spoiling my experience. Nice. And the front, does the front have the peel? Alright, let's open the front one. Okay, let's open it right here. Okay, come on. Nice. Okay, so to pop off the front panel, it's magnetic, by the way. Okay, so it has a hinge, and the second one comes off here. So let's open this together. Nice. And you basically slide up to remove the door. Okay, I just want to remove the door because I just don't want to break it. But in case you're wondering, this is 4mm of tempered glass. So the front is the same, 4mm as well. So that means that whatever you show, whatever fans, whatever RGB that you see will actually be displayed in all its glory. Okay, up at the top, okay, we have a magnetic fan filter. Okay, good if you want to prevent dust from entering your case. Something that I actually recommend, just leave it on. Okay, the top has a power switch. Okay, a reset switch, which is very small, good. Okay, you have a USB 3.0 at the top, USB 2, two of that, and microphone and headphone jack. Okay, that's the top. Okay, that's down to the front of the case. Okay, the front of the case is a lot of nothing. So it's just a single slab of glass, which I really love, by the way. Okay, moving to the inside, before that, moving to the rear of the case first. So the rear of the case is a single fan slot. I'll be talking about the radiator and fan support in a short while. Okay, fan slot and 4 expansion slots, and yes, this can be screwed. So this is not those cheap ones where it's like a one-way removal. You can actually screw this and unscrew back. Okay, and yeah, your power supply is at the bottom as usual. It has a power supply shroud, so you can hide all your unsightly cables. Okay, so let's remove the back panel and let's have a closer look at the case. Okay, so down to the inside of the case itself, right? Okay, you will see that it supports micro ATX and mini ITX only. It doesn't support full ATX, alright? So it is a bit long though in my opinion. So this is where the motherboard is. The motherboard stand is here. Okay, and your hard drive, your solid state. So in terms of solid state support, right, it supports 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch. So your 2.5 inch you can install them here. You can just screw them directly. Yeah, let's take a look at the cable. So the rear fan is unfortunately no RGB. So much for RGB, right? Yeah, the rear fan has no RGB and is only 3 pin. So it's a bit of a problem if you want to control it too much using PWM and all that sort of stuff. Okay, in terms of cables, right, let's just move this to the back. Okay, so in terms of the cables, let's take a look together. We have some cable ties, screws for mounting a speaker cable, and some black screws, and that's about it. Okay, this is very important. So over here you have a USB 3.0 connector for the one at the top. Okay, you have a HD audio, okay, for your USB 2 because you have two USB 2s. Okay, and lastly, they are the front panel connectors, which I personally hate. I really hate this because you really need to jam it in very specifically, and the positive and negative and everything. It's very annoying. So you have hard disk LED plus minus. You have power switch. You have power LED, and you have reset switch. So mostly is all that we talk about here, that all these cables will have to be connected to your motherboard. Okay, so moving on to the bottom of the case, you have a filter for your power supply. This is where you install your hard drive over here for the 3.5 inch. And at the bottom there's feet, and yeah, that's actually about it. So they only included one rear fan. Bit of a shame actually. I would have expected them to include two. Anyway, talking about fan now. So in terms of fan support, it supports up to 3 120mm fan at the front, or 240mm at the front. Okay, 120mm or 140mm at the rear. Okay, and also 120 or 140mm fan at the top. So the top is a bit disappointing because I thought they can support two, but no, it's only cut for one. So in terms of radiator support, right, same thing. It supports up to 240 or 280mm radiator front, 140, 120 or 140, 120 at the rear and top respectively. Okay, so all in all, it's pretty decent for what it does. Especially coming at a low price point, I think that it's very important that everything fits and it doesn't like get in the way of like anything at all. So something I want to mention is that there is actually quite a lot of space between the back of the motherboard and actually the case itself. So like there's actually a distance here. Let me calculate how much clearance do we have. Okay, it is about an inch. So why did I have to mention that? Because that inch is going to be all it needs. It's going to be all it has between the back of your motherboard, the cable, the mesh, and the rear the rear case itself. So the bigger the space is, the easier for you to arrange your cables properly, to cable manage it. Alright? So actually, that is all for our unboxing and first look at the Thermaltake V150 mini case. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.